Hello and welcome to Brand New Vegan. This is Chuck, and today we are making a fat-free Chipotle Adobo Sauce. Now, I know you've been to the grocery store and you've seen those little cans of Chipotle peppers and they have the adobo sauce, but there's always oil in them. I don't know why. Why do they need to put oil in everything? I have no clue. But we don't want the oil, and so I can't find any. I've looked everywhere. So I decided to make my own, and it's super easy. Those are guajillo chili pods. These are Mexican chilies. And those are ancho chili pods. Again, they're Mexican chilies. You can find these in the grocery store in the Mexican section. All we're going to do is take about 10 of each and some garlic, put it on a cookie sheet, and we're going to roast this in the oven, 250 degrees, for about 10 minutes. We're not going to bake them, we're not going to brown them, we just want to wake up the flavor a little bit. And then we clean them. And all you need is a pair of scissors. Cut off the end, dump out the seeds. It's that easy. I usually make a snip right up the middle. Try to get as many seeds out as I can. Seeds are where the heat's at, so the less seeds you have, the milder the sauce. Those anchos are really tough, so you gotta work at it to get that inside membrane that's got all the seeds attached to it. It'll yank right out of there. One at a time. This is the hardest part. This is what takes the longest time. But it is so worth it. The flavors are so fresh. Yeah, see that big old glob of seeds there? Yeah, you just yank that out. Again, the less seeds, the less of those little ribs, the milder the sauce. Go ahead and peel our garlic. Set that aside. Now we're just going to add some water to our pan of chilies. You don't have to submerge them completely, just about halfway up, at least a cup. Toss in the garlic, and we're going to bring that to a boil and simmer for about 10 minutes. Wash your hands, please. Those chilies have an oil in them. They will burn your eyes if you touch your eyes. Once we've boiled the chilies for about 10 minutes, we're going to pop them out. You can use a slotted spoon. You can use a pair of kitchen tongs, whatever you got, and just carefully put them inside your blender. And grab the closed end. That way you can dump all the water outside. Add our garlic. And that's a 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar. You can use white vinegar if you'd like. And I'm going to put a strainer on that, and I'm going to use that chili water. I like to use the chili water. You can use fresh water. We need about a cup. Get that started, kind of mix everything up a little bit. That little tin of spices, I'll have all the ingredients down in the recipe box below. I'll put a link down there for you. We're going to dump that in. A couple tablespoons of tomato paste. I'm also going to put some links down in the description box for chilies. In case you can't find them, you can order them. Now mine was really thick, so I added a little bit of water. You can thin this down as much as you want. Give it a good blitz, and there you go. Now, it needed some sweetener. I used brown sugar. Some people may not like to use brown sugar. If you like agave, use that. If you like to use honey, I'm vegan, I don't, but if you do, use that. Whatever kind of sweetener you like. I used about 2 teaspoons of brown sugar. And that is adobo sauce. Now, we're not using the chipotle chilies in this, like in the can, so I just added a little chipotle chili powder. And the taste is spot on. It's perfect. And that's me trying to doctor up a baked potato, make it look pretty. Anyway, that's the recipe for the week. Super easy, super simple. Just need an oven, a pot, and a blender. Hope you like it. If you do, be sure and give me a thumbs up. Look at that big old subscribe button up there in the corner. Click on that for me, and come back next week. I do a video every single week showing you how simple it is, how tasty it is to eat plant-based. Again, this is Chuck from Brand New Vegan. Thanks for watching.